Sales Insight Shorties. Brought to you by Fused.
Why change? The status quo assassin. Your buyer just said, "We're happy with what we have." Meanwhile, their business is losing money, competitors are gaining ground, and market changes are making them less relevant every day. 99% of B2B purchases are driven by organizational change, yet your buyer insists everything's fine. Marcus, an enterprise AE, shared a situation where his prospect admitted losing $50,000 monthly to inefficiency and agreed the solution would fix it, then decided to stick with their current process anyway. Our analysis shows 40% of qualified deals die at the why change inflection point. Not because buyers don't have problems, but because the pain of staying the same hasn't exceeded the pain of changing. Here's a common misconception. Show enough ROI and buyers will change. Demo enough features and they'll move. Discount enough and they'll act. The reality is different. People don't change because of logic. They change when staying the same becomes intolerable. Your buyers are experiencing dysfunction, losing money, falling behind competitors, and they've normalized it. It's familiar dysfunction. A 300% ROI means nothing if they don't feel the pain viscerally. Data shows deals using status quo decay modeling, demonstrating how things progressively worsen, close at 3 times the rate of feature-focused pitches. Fear of escalating loss motivates more than potential gain. Here's how to make the status quo unsustainable. First, calculate compound losses, not just current pain. Show where they'll be in 12 months if nothing changes. You're losing $50,000 monthly now, $600,000 annually. With 10% complexity increase, next year it's $792,000. In 3 years, you're looking at $2.4 million lost. Second, identify who benefits from current dysfunction. Someone's role likely depends on maintaining the status quo. Recognize and address this dynamic. Third, accumulate the pain over time. Don't just show daily impact, show cumulative effect. This has been happening for 18 months. That's 540 days of inefficiency. How many opportunities have you missed? Jennifer worked with an account insisting they were satisfied with current state. She mapped their status quo decay over 24 months, showing when their manual process would fail under projected growth. The buyer called back within 24 hours, ready to move forward. Your buyer is comfortable with dysfunction. Show them the trajectory they're on, not just where they could be. Take one happy with current state deal this week. Calculate their status quo decay. Make inaction expensive. What status quo objection are you hearing most? Start overcoming status quo barriers by following these techniques today.